Looking at the test number 1 practice problems, and I'm looking at question 32 about life science. So the average weight of a baby born in 1900 was 6 pounds and 4 ounces. And in 2000, the average weight of a baby was 6 pounds and 10 ounces. What is the rate of change is the change in y over the change in x, or the rise over the run. Or you can make these ordered pairs and say these are x's and these are y's. You can do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's see, from 1900 to 2000, the pounds go up, so you're going to expect it to be positive. So make sure that you keep your points together vertically and end up with a positive slope or rate of change. So let's see, change in y. So how much did the y's change? It's 6 ounces, so it's increased by 6 ounces over the last 100 years. So I'm taking y2. If this is y2, subtract y1, and this is x2, subtract x1. Then I get that. So 6 ounces over 100 years, which is 0.06 ounces per year. So there's the unit, right? So my units are ounces per year. So in here I'm going to put 0.06 ounces per year. Then click out of it. And then I want to answer the next questions. We expect the baby weight to be how many pounds and how many ounces in 2080. So let's see. I can start to write an equation of a line. Y equals mx plus b. Or I have m already, right? M is my slope. So that's 0.06x. And I have to find the b. So I can use these 2 points to find the b. To do that, I'm going to convert these y's into all ounces. So there's 16 pounds. Let me think. Okay, so there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. So I'm going to convert the y's into all 1 unit. So 61 pounds. I'm sorry. There's no baby that's 61 pounds. 6 pounds. That's silly. All right, 6 pounds so 6 times 16. That's 96. So this y1, is 96 ounces plus 4 more ounces. So that's 100 ounces. And 60 pounds, 10 ounces is 106 ounces. So the 2 ordered pairs I have here are actually 1900, the year, and 100 ounces. And 2000 in the year 2000, we had 106 ounces. So I now have 2 ordered pairs. I really just need one of them. So I can find B. I'll plug in the 2000 because I like 2000. So I'm going to plug in, I'm going to keep my 0.06, and I have to solve for B. And I'm going to plug in when X is 2000, then Y is 106. So I can now solve for B by going 106. Oops, that's not what I want. 106 and divide by the product of 0.06 times 2000. I'm sorry, I had the wrong operation here. 106 minus that product to get B by itself. Okay, so then I get B equals 14. So plugging that back into that equation for the line, y equals mx plus b, m is 0.06 and b is 14. Then I can find the answer to my question about the expected baby weight in 2080. So I have, let's see, I'm going to plug in the x of 2080 and then multiply that by the slope of 0.06 and add the 14. And that should give me my expected baby weight, which is, need the calculator back again. Looks like that should have been a minus 14. I think that should have been a minus 14, just looking back at my calculator here. That should have been a minus 14 for B is a negative 14, not a positive 14. Okay, so let's put that into the calculator. We get 0.06 times 2080 minus 14. Seems like a very heavy baby. Oh, because that's in ounces. Okay. My common sense checker was a little confused. Okay, so that's 110.8 ounces. And remember that 96 ounces was, let's see, let's divide that by 16. So we get almost 7 ounces, almost 7 pounds, but not quite. Yeah. So we have 6 pounds is 96 ounces. So if I take 110.8 minus 96, because that's covered in the pounds, then I have 4.8 ounces left. So 6 pounds and 4.8 ounces. All right. So I'm going back to my test now and I get, oh, look at that keyboard. Cool. 0.06. No, that's not my answer. Let me scroll up here. This should be 6 pounds. And I'm rounding to the nearest, round the ounces to the nearest one decimal, so I want 4.8 there. 4.8. That doesn't sound right, does it? Oh, my subtraction's off. Jeez, I'm making a lot of mistakes here. So 110 minus 8 is 14.8. Sorry, so that should be 14.8. That makes a little more sense. That's closer to 7 pounds, so that makes more sense. Okay, so 6 pounds, 14.8 ounces, and using my common sense checker, to save me a couple times here. That answer makes sense because I'm looking at the baby growing starting at 100 ounces and 106. Originally 6 pounds and 4 ounces, then 6 pounds and 10 ounces. So 6 pounds and 14.8 ounces seems to make sense along that pattern. All right, so I got my answers. Everything's been entered. Nothing's highlighted anymore, so everything's saved, and I hit submit. And I get on the practice test, I get an immediate result to find out if it's correct. And if it's not correct, then I'm always welcome to check the solution, which is also given to me on the practice test only.